Slow yung baba. Ang bilis nun. Sige. Up. Then going down. Yan. Slowly. Yung workout dyan, yung sa going down. Yung slow na baba. That's good. Yan. Sige po. Yan. And slow. That's good. Ma'am, sa mata po, towards your eyes, towards your face. Yung renegade. Yan. Perfect. Yan. Hammer curl. Yan. Sige, ma'am. Yan. Squeeze mo. Dapat feel ko dito yan. Okay. Sir, squeeze mo yan sa chest. Okay? Let's go.
10 seconds.
Minimize mo yung angat na shoulder. Sige. Yan, no? Putok na. Yung ano, chest. Okay? 3, 2, 1, switch.